Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. Today I will show you how to create a new Envato account that will be able to help you with support on your items. So if you wish to hire somebody and if you don't wish to allow them to get full access to your account, only to respond to comments on your items or to respond on reviews for your items, then this is the solution for you. So first of all, to allow this, you must create a new account. I named it CodeRevolution Support. Give it a name, a profile picture, and make it look nice. And log out of it, sign out, and log into your main Envato account. So after you logged into your main account, go to account settings, outdoor themes, and add the username that you just created to this input field. Add someone to your team and click add. After you will click here add, sign out from your main Envato account and go sign back into your support account. Afterwards, you will be able to go to uh, the user that added you as support, view the main accounts portfolio, and you will be able to comment to reply to comments that the users left. As you can see, we are able to reply to comments now. Usually this is not possible if you don't are not part of the team. You are now able to comment also on reviews. So if we get back and check here, we can also comment on reviews. So usually commenting is only possible here for accounts that are not part of the team, but if you add this account to your team, this account will be also able to comment on any thread. So it will be able to respond to customers' questions and help you with the support. Okay, so one more thing is that this account will also be notified by email on each new comment that was created for your plugins, and like this you can give the email address you assigned this account to your support staff, and they will be constantly notified by new comments that were posted on your support forums here, and they will be able to respond faster. One more thing is that uh, using command system from Envato, it is good, especially if you are beginning to sell your plugins or code or themes. But if you grow, then it is recommended that you create your own support system and to drive support over there and to solve customer requests over there, because your own support system is searchable, and customers will be able to search old support requests to not create a new support request each time. Yeah, so in an upcoming video, I will also show you how to create your own support forum on your own website. But still, if you have your own support forum, you will still need this additional Envato account, because many customers still prefer to comment uh, here on item comments and not go to your own support forum. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video and you like what I shared with you now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also please hit the bell notification to get notified each time I add a new video to this channel. So until next time, bye bye.